Hey everyone, this is Coach Julian. I hope you're all well. What I'm going to share with you comes from Tai Chi Chuan. It's called parting the wild horse's mane. I do this exercise for a lot of my clients, and it's primarily for balance, core strength, body awareness, coordinating breathing, and a lot of brain activity. So for parting the wild horse's mane, it will basically look something like this. So I set up the chi bars on my left side, my right side. Then I would step, heel, toe, transfer weight, part the wild horse's mane. And then I would bring that back. Then I come back, shift weight, and then I would part. First and foremost, I am not a master Tai Chi Chuan instructor. I am still a student. I teach the movement. I don't teach anything other than that. The movements has a lot of benefits. So when I introduce any movements of Tai Chi Chuan, I show them in different parts because each part, each phase, each movement has a lot of benefits. So here's how I teach this one. I tell my clients and friends, I said, pretend you have the chi ball. Now, the chi ball is the size of a soccer ball. I'm going to show you a side view. I'm going to give you two options. Your right leg is back. It could be staggered. Foot's flat on the floor. Option two, it could have a split stance. So my heel is up, as you can see. You decide how far back, but primarily just slightly behind you. We have that chi ball on the right side of our hip. My left hand is on the bottom part of the ball. My right hand is on top. I say inhale, and then we exhale. My coach, Julio Pro Tip, I tell them, pretend you have a mirror in your left hand. So we don't want the mirror anywhere else. And then we bring that ball back, and then we part. I show you a front view, right leg still back, staggered or split. I'm like, if you want more challenge, don't have more on the side. And that little rotation is going to challenge your balance. So knees are soft, we inhale, and then we part and exhale. So we would do that for the prescribed reps on that side and then the other. And like any movement, practice is progress. So that's all. Let me know what you think. Post your comments and don't forget to subscribe.